Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to install new apps into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. What you need to do is just simply come over into your Microsoft Store, and if you want to download or install any of apps, it's very simple to download and install into your Microsoft Store. So if you just I'm showing you for this WhatsApp, if you want to download it, it's very simple. Just simply click on install and you can see it's automatically getting ready and it will preparing to download. You can see there will be simply download and simply install into your Windows in a very simple way. If you want to do this into your Google Chrome, very simple, just search for WhatsApp and click enter and you will get the option called WhatsApp Web. You can see you can also download. If you click on that, it will automatically redirect you to the WhatsApp Web. But if you just click on this install option, you can simply download this WhatsApp Web into your Windows 11 in a very simple way. You can see that our WhatsApp is downloaded. So if I just go for Microsoft Store and you can see it started installing, and after that it will be installed. You can see if I click on open, it will open WhatsApp into my Windows 11. So this is how you can download and install Windows app into Windows 11. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in other videos. Till then, goodbye.